What's up, Tim?
Bob, is that a camera in your jacket, or are you just happy to see me?
Can it be both?
Yeah, I guess.
Because it is. All right. All right, GI TV, this is a new product we've got called the ContourGPS camera. This is
Global Positioning Satellite.
If you didn't know what that meant. So, basically, this is just like the other Contour HD camera we sell, except for this one has a GPS unit that lets you record the location, the speed you're going, and the altitude you're at when you're filming. It links up with every single second, so I can basically just record where I get all my axe kills and the speed at which I was charging. So, really exciting.
Now this is a great camera. This is like an upgraded Contour camera from the last one that I reviewed. Now there's a few features on it that it shares with the other Contour camera that I forgot to mention in the last video. Namely, these grooves right here, these are the sides where you actually mount the camera. There are a couple of different mounting accessories that Contour has for their cameras. It's on the left and right side. No matter whether you're left or right-handed, you can have the camera mounted in a convenient position for you. One of the cool things about these cameras is that the lens actually rotates 90 degrees to the left or right, so that is very helpful, especially if you're mounting the camera sideways. If you notice from the last video that I did where I was filming in Tac City, I actually had the camera mounted on the top of my face mask. I was able to turn the lens sideways so that obviously the picture wasn't all whacked and all that other stuff.
I was waiting for that to fall.
Oh, no, it's not going to fall. I have a nice
flat head.
Support. Yeah, flat head, I guess. But yeah, these Contour HD cameras are really cool, but this is not the only cool thing that Contour has come out with in the recent months. The last video I mentioned that they were developing a Picatinny rail mount for their cameras, and this is it. It is finally here at Airsoft GI, and it's for sale for $29.99. Awesome. An excellent way to mount your camera securely to your gun, and it gives you a really great point of view too. I have the Contour Picatinny mount that we have for our camera here mounted on this SR15. Basically, you just line up the grooves like I showed you earlier and snap it into place. It gives you a great perspective for filming your airsoft games. You can also have a camera on your helmet so you can get more perspectives. The more cameras, the merrier. If you guys are planning to make awesome airsoft action videos like I do here at Airsoft GI TV, you need to have a lot of different cameras for a lot of different perspectives. And you actually had a pretty good idea.
Yes. So, I thought it'd actually be pretty cool to find a couple extra cameras, throw one on the gun mount facing forward, throw the other one facing this way. Yeah. So you get this cool, face shots when you're screaming, you're ah, it's awesome. So in addition to having a helmet mount. So highly suggested, really fun.
One thing that is essential to filming a good airsoft game video is to have a third-person point of view above the action so you can actually see exactly what's going on. So you get that first-person point of view so you can get all the action up close and personal, but you get that third-person point of view to actually see the bigger picture of what's going on in the game. Now recently there's been a new field that opened up here in Southern California, and we sent a few of our employees there as representatives to just get some footage for us for a GI TV action video. Now unfortunately we didn't have that third-person point of view, so all I have are basically a lot of cool first-person action shots. I'm going to show them to you here right now. This is actually the very first time that we've been at this field, so we don't know the layout, and it's the first time that we've used these Picatinny gun mounts. So a lot of firsts in this video. We hope to make a lot more in the future and make them a lot better, but here's what we got so far.
Oh wait, by the way, just so you know, Tim, the prices.
Oh, we forgot to mention the prices of the cameras. Now the GPS camera is $349.99, and actually, since I did the last video on the Contour HD camera, it's dropped in price by about 20 bucks. So the regular Contour HD camera is $249.99 on the website, Airsoft GI, and the GPS camera is $349.99. And I've already mentioned the Picatinny rail mount is $29.99. Enjoy our video.
watch out! Jackal, right here, okay? Jay, I'm gonna turn this.
Airsoft GI's hassle-free gift voucher system allows you to purchase gift vouchers in the amount of $20, $50, and $100 and email them to the airsofter of your choosing. To learn more about our gift voucher system, click on this button on our front page. Airsoft is an enjoyable hobby, but your guns can be dangerous if mishandled.
Please use your airsoft guns responsibly, don't take them out in public, and don't take them to your school.